So today what we have here is a little DIY project that we're going to be showing you. We thought it would be fun because she loves Beauty and the Beast, and it seems like a pretty simple and romantic idea to do together. So we've got our rose here. She calls it electric blue. What we're going to be doing is a lot like Beauty and the Beast, where the rose was inside the little dome there. And the idea behind that was when the last petal fell, it was like this spell was like forever, but I think in this case it's going to be more like when the last petal falls is like how long I'll love you, and as you can see it's a forever rose, so no petals will be falling today.
Aww.
Besides the one we got off. We have our rose. My blue rose is over here.
What you will need for this DIY is a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and you always want to have extra glue sticks. Of course, the item of the hour. You want to have your blue rose. Such a beautiful color. Look at it. It really draws in that color. It's beautiful. So, hence we call it electric blue.
Yeah.
And then this is our dome. So we have this top and then we have the bottom, so that you do need both of them, and they're sold separately at the craft store. We picked ours up. We are debating if we're gonna kind of make it as one or not, but we'll see how it goes when we get to that point. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is prepare our flower. The flower that Sean and I got, it's a big plush. It says Silk Vision. So we're actually going to take some of the petals from the bottom of it to use on the bottom of our base, because it's just so big and plush. The whole thing is not going to fit in there. So we thought it would be perfect to use so that we can have extra. It's like, yeah, as you can see, it's not going to fit, but we kind of see the part that will fit, and so we're just going to use these as petals so that they match perfectly. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to do is make this shorter. I think it's safe to cut here, you think, babe?
Yeah, you can cut there just to make it more manageable for now.
Yeah. Cut.
Let me see it. Oh, we just... yeah, you can do that too.
Perfect.
Button.
Alright. So, we just cut the extra off, and we're going to work with this. We're not going to leave it this long, but we don't want to cut too much of it, so that's why we did that. We're not going to leave these stems on here, so we can go ahead and just pluck those off. This is what we're left with so far. What should we do now, babe?
And if we change our minds down the road, we can just like glue it like up, like cut off, you know? Maybe like have three right there.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, that'll be nice. Okay, so...
next thing is next. Petal plucking. I don't want to like rip the head off either.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be terrible as well?
That would be. So babe's taking off the petals.
I think it's like all connected at the base somewhere.
So you want to
I
maybe
want to
cut it?
cut it. 'Cause I don't want to like rip the whole thing off. Here, I'll hold it out, you cut it.
Okay. Teamwork.
Yes, makes the
Dream work.
yeah. So yeah, it's coming along. It's a lot. Getting a better shape there now. I think this one should come off next.
Yeah.
I would say we'll take this like so, get it in about where we want it. Then obviously this will be where the base is. So we could probably cut it like right under. I'm gonna say right about there.
Here?
Yeah, I'm just gonna mark it with like pressing my thumb or fingernail
Okay.
into there, make a little notch so we know where to cut it. And you want it to be like tall but not too tall.
Yeah.
So otherwise it'll just be pushing up against that.
Yeah.
Alright. Actually, I think.
Oh.
I knew there was a metal rod in there.
You did. There's a metal rod, so...
We just cut through a metal rod.
Yeah. We cut through a metal rod. Babe cut through a metal rod.
We're so strong. Actually, looks like a pen, doesn't it? Like you could...
It does. Maybe we can... Well, I'm just trying to think of a way to do it.
You could like take this metal rod out and then put like some... but that's about the right gauge for lead. Make like a little rose pen.
Oh, that would be cute. Maybe we'll do that.
Here's the flower.
So romantic. Oh, I love it.
So it looks like this so far, just by keeping it right there. Do you think it's a little bit smashed? I could cut.
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
I could like cut off a like, now that
The rod's out.
yeah. I could cut like right about here.
Okay.
Did not want to do too much. See how much easier that is with the rod in there? Just was like boom. Had a projectile. All right, so we got it cut down to size there. I'm gonna do that and.
Perfect. Oh, it's so pretty, babe.
We've got the length figured out now. It looks like this so far. And then we're going to do this. Now, do you think... I'm just going to go ahead. That's too much leaf. Would you like to have a little leaf in there? Like that?
I think that's pretty.
You gonna do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you want to have it? Like here? Do you want it 2 petals or 3 petals?
2 petals.
Okay. Take your glue gun. Oh, it's hot. I'm kidding.
Oh, I was like, no. Watch your fingers.
String cheese. Ta-da!
That's pretty.
Alright, I think that's pretty. I am. Yeah, anyways. So now we got that. We can put it back in here, like so. Being very careful with the petals now. I probably want to like tuck them like so.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And now they're doing it that way.
I feel like we need to do it.
What I'd like to do is just have it dabbed right in the middle.
Here?
Yeah, right dead in the middle, like so.
How much?
About that, not much.
Okay.
And then do that. And then I can actually take this metal thing here, use it to break that plastic off. I don't want to jiggle it around too much, but anyways. We're going to lift these leaves up like so. And there we go.
So pretty.
We're still trying to decide if we're gonna like glue the glass to the base right now.
Should we glue it, you guys? Or should we leave it like that? What do you think? Like, I feel like if we glue it, it'll be more secure, but I also feel like if we glue it, we'll never, like, we won't be able to adjust it if we need to.
Yeah, there's a little trade-off to both. One is secure and a little bit more permanent.
Yeah.
The other way is you can get to it, but the glass dome might fall off.
Yeah. Did you want to add the petals on the bottom, babe?
Yes.
Ooh.
And we're not gonna secure those to the base because it, you know, looks a little bit more natural. It'd kind of be neat to have them move around, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
So, without taking this all the way off, you know, actually like fold them like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's what that looks like now. One petal fell.
Oh, I love it.
Mm-hmm. Don't want to go too overboard with it, because otherwise you're just going to have a bunch of silk petals littering the bottom of the base, and I don't think that looks quite as good. It looks like just somebody stuffed a bunch of petals at the bottom. But and anyways, it looks good. Probably will Windex the glass to make it look cleaner.
Ooh, yeah.
But yeah, didn't even need 4 glue sticks. Barely even needed 5. So it's an easy project. Doesn't take up too much materials.
And it's cute. Like, it's cute if you do it together
Mm-hmm.
with someone, or if you want to like make it for someone as a surprise, you can do that too.
Just our household decoration.
Yeah, household decor,
Mm-hmm.
Mother's Day, Father's Day,
And then you have
birthdays.
plenty of, then you got plenty of leftovers to use as you will.
Yeah. If you're like one of those crafty people that just thinks of different things to do with extra stuff.
Mm-hmm. So, what do you think, babe?
I love it.
I do too. Should we glue it or should we not?
What do you think?
Y'all decide.
Yeah.
Here we are for my blue rose.
Oh, thank you, baby. I love it. How pretty.